Hi friends, in this video today, I am going to tell you about Dwaraka Day 2, Somnath Part 2. In this I am going to show you about Gandhi's birthplace in Porbandar. This place was 131 kilometers far away from Somnath railway station. This house was purchased by Gandhi's great-grandfather, Harjivan Radas Gandhi in 17th century, in that all his family lived for many years. After the death of Gandhi in 1947, Indian National Congress was made a decision that Gandhiji's birthplace has to make a museum. Nanji Bhai Kalidas Mehta donated money to build this museum. This was built by an architect, Purushottam Bhai Mistry. Often it was named as Kirti Mandir. It is 79 feet tall, representing the 79 years of Gandhi's life. This was started in 1947 and completed in 1950. Home Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel inaugurated it on the 27th of May 1950 and given to Indian government. This place includes architectural elements of Hindu, Buddhist, Jain and Parsi temples as well as churches and mosques. Here are some real pictures and footage of Kirti Mandir. Thanks for watching guys. For more updates please stay tuned to my channel Sai the Real Coverage.
गुलाब ఉంది
డివైడ్ అవడానికి కారణం కూడా వాళ్ళే చూడు లాయరత్నం ఫస్ట్ కావాల్సింది ఏనా మోసం చేసి అని చేయించాను
అవన్నీ అనాక అర్థం కాకపోయినా
అర్థం కాదు
ఉంటారు కొన్ని.
ఆయన ఎంత స్ట్రాంగ్ పర్సన్ అంటే అంత స్ట్రాంగ్ పర్సన్ ఇండియా అంత సూపర్ పవర్ అజీమా చేస్తున్నాడు ఇప్పుడు కుదరదు కదా. కనీసం 5 years డిలే అయింది నేను అహింసా అని చెప్పినట్టు వల్ల రోడ్ మార్గంలో ఉంటే తొందరగా
being a suspect one that Pataliba gave birth to Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, a fourth child, on the 2nd October 1869. The 12th day of the dawn of
సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ మార్క్ పెట్టింది
ఇదే అనుకోవాలి.